Fy enw I yw Sioned Roberts. Dwi'n gydlynydd hwb sgiliau hanfodol. Dwi'n gweithio i'r Urdd yng Nghaerdydd. Mae gwneud Apprenticeship yn gyfle gwych i bobl. Maen nhw'n gallu dysgu sgiliau newydd, cael cyfleoedd newydd, a dwi'n gweld budd mawr yn dysgu'r bobl yma.
Mae'n hynod wych bod gwaith Sioned yn cael ei gydnabod yn y ffordd yma. Mae wastad wedi mynd tu hwnt i'r ofyn gyda pob dysgwr ac yn neud o'i orau i wneud yn siŵr bod pawb yn gallu llwyddo.
O'n i'n methu credu bod fi wedi dod i'r rownd derfynol yn y categori yma. Mae'n gyfle gwych i ddangos beth mae'r Urdd a fi'n gallu gwneud.
It's fantastic to work with Sioned at the Urdd as an apprentice. I'm learning Welsh and I'm learning so many more essential skills.
Mae'r bydd dwi'n cael yn gweld Apprenticeship yn llwyddo yn anhygoel o ddechrau Apprenticeship nhw tan y diwedd lle maen nhw'n cael swyddi newydd neu'n cael dyrchafiad swydd. Does dim teimlad gwell yn y byd.
My name is Anne Raisin James and I'm a Learning Advisor with Panda Education and Training. The thing I love about my job is working with lots of different learners and seeing them progress in their qualifications and their experience and their training and becoming more confident in their roles. The benefit to the apprentices who are taken in Level 3 in Learning and Development is that they develop all the skills they need in teaching and assessment.
Anne has been my trainer throughout the Learning and Development course. I honestly don't think I would have survived this course without her. She's been a wealth of knowledge and understanding and has given me an amazing amount of support and guidance both in person and through Teams.
When I learned I was a finalist, I was so excited, not just for myself but for my learners as well. I'm passionate about training and learning and I practice what I preach. I'm a courseaholic, I'm always doing training courses and I hope that I pass over this passion to my learners.
My name is Gareth Lewis. I'm a training assessor and I work for ALS Training. My job role is working with learners completing higher apprenticeship in insurance. This then is made up of assessment, mentoring them whilst they complete the programme, which is national vocational qualification and a technical certificate. What I'm particularly proud of is the positive feedback I get from the employers that I work with and the positive outcomes that they get in from the result of me delivering the training and mentoring their staff.
We're absolutely delighted here at ALS that Gareth has been shortlisted for the Apprenticeship Awards. We are so proud of him. All the support that he gives the learners is absolutely amazing. In
my view, apprenticeships are invaluable just because it gives someone an opportunity to learn and achieve a recognised qualification whilst they're in a job role and earning money.